Very ecstatic greetings to ladies and gentlemen. Today, I, Akhileshwer Munshi,
And I, Vaishnavi Bywar.
from Mount Carmel School, are going to talk to you all about the significance of the World Ozone Day.
Yes, Akhileshwer, do you know that September 16 was designated by the United Nations General Assembly as the International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer? This day had been designated on December 19, 2000, on which nations signed the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer.
Yes, Vaishnavi, adding more to what you just said, our world is the planet Earth, its non-living components, along with all the living beings that thrive in its friendly and welcoming environment. Our home planet Earth, which encompasses this vast and diverse biosphere, is the most unique as well as the only planet in the universe known to have such a hospitable habitat for survival.
True.
The Earth is thoroughly blessed by the God with not only life-sustaining but also with life-saving elements. One such life-saving element is the ozone gas, an allotropic form of the chemical element oxygen consisting of 3 atoms of oxygen, whereas the oxygen gas consists of just 2 atoms.
Yes, Akhileshwar, you are truly right. We are indeed blessed to be on Earth.
Surely,
Now, I would like to share some more details on the ozone day.
yes.
Ozone depletion consists of 2 related phenomena that occurred since the late 1970s. Number 1, a much steady lowering of about 4% of total amount of ozone from the Earth's atmosphere. Number 2, a much larger springtime decrease in the stratospheric ozone around the Earth's polar regions. This phenomena is known as the ozone hole.
Yes, even I have read about it.
Ozone hole is a very harmful phenomena as it has many ill effects and its aftermath is very serious. Ozone depletion and ozone hole have resulted in worldwide concern over increased cancer risks and other negative effects.
That's very unfortunate. You have made us aware about the ill effects of the ozone holes. Well, Vaishnavi, do you know? Although oxygen is the most essential life-sustaining element on the earth,
Indeed,
ozone gas is highly poisonous. Nevertheless, ozone gas has an extraordinary property to absorb over 99% of the dangerous medium frequency ultraviolet light or the UVB radiations from the sun, which otherwise would completely damage all the life on the planet.
true.
Thankfully, ozone gas is absent where it is potentially harmful, that is, near the surface. But it is present where it is absolutely harmless and very useful, which in existence is like a shield 15 to 35 kilometers above the surface in the stratosphere.
Yes, Akhileshwar, I have learned that ozone layer absorbs most of the ultraviolet radiations from the sun, and thus the formation of ozone hole have resulted in severe consequences such as increased UV radiation levels and other biological damages like skin cancer, sunburn, cataract, etc. And these effects had substantially been more dramatic in the regions of the polar countries like South Africa, Argentina, New Zealand and Australia.
That's very unfortunate. We human beings have been evolving under the protection of this atmospheric shield and have made tremendous technological advancements that have made our life more convenient. But these advancements have resulted in the emission of such hazardous chemicals that go up into the atmosphere to attack our own atmospheric shield, the ozone layer.
Indeed,
These harmful gases that include the sulfur and nitrogen oxides from the vehicular and industrial exhausts, as well as the chlorofluorocarbons and the bromofluorocarbons released by the aerosol sprays and air conditioning systems, are like those self-destructing bombs that being fired on our own ozone defense system are creating big holes in it.
Truly, Mother Earth is a diverse planetary habitat and a marvelous creation of God.
Yes.
But today, it's time to pay back and protect our mother. There are several measures which can be taken to reduce the depletion of the ozone layer.
Please tell us about that.
Number 1. Avoid using gases such as CFC, HCFC, nitrous oxide, methyl bromide, etc., which are not only harmful to the environment but also to the ozone layer because they cause ozone holes into the layer. Number 2. We should minimize the usage of cars. Instead of that, there are other better options such as bicycling, carpooling, or walking. Also, we should not use the cleaning products because they not only harm to the environment but also to us.
Oh,
Now, the most important measure, that is, we should always keep maintaining our air conditioners and refrigerators because any malfunctioning in those can result in the CFC gas to escape into the atmosphere.
very true. The main aim of celebrating the World Ozone Day is to save our natural life-saving system so that we can live a happy, progressive, and a peaceful life in close connection with the Mother Nature under the able protection of the ozone shield.
Awake, arise, and soar to a greater height, being a responsible creature on this earth.
Thank you very much and live a wise life ahead.